That deserved like 2 full rotations there. Guys, I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's like awesome. That is so freaking cool. And I'm talking to you guys because you guys are the ones who did it. That is so unbelievably cool to me. There's 4 digits of people who think that I'm cool enough to watch regularly. That blows my mind, guys. That is so cool. Thank you so much. Don't worry, there will be a ton of more book hauls going up in thanks for this. I don't even know what to say. I'm like speechless. Is there anything you guys want to see? I feel like now is the time I should be like giving back to you guys. What are you looking for? What would you like from this channel? I am most likely going to do a library tour because that is the most highly requested video like ever on every one of my videos. Somebody asked to see a library tour, so I will definitely do that for you guys. I'm so excited. I'm also out of breath. It's very early in the morning and I am not prepared to do activity yet. So yeah, would you guys like a library tour? I can do a Q&A if you want to do that. I can do, I don't know what you would be interested in seeing. Do you want to see my family? It's mostly animals. I got a lot of animals. You can meet all of them if you want. I don't know. Let me know what you guys would like, and thanks for this. This is amazing, guys. This is so cool. I'm just gonna say it's amazing over and over and over again. So thank you so much. This is so freaking cool. Okay, that's literally all this video is supposed to be. I'm just really excited. So thank you everybody who made this journey really exciting. I'm about a year on BookTube. I completely missed my like 1-year anniversary thing. I meant to do something for that and then it just happened. I don't know. But thank you to all of the people who are actually like really good friends with me now. That is so cool. That was kind of the goal from BookTube, like joining BookTube, is I knew that it's a really good community and I just really wanted to meet other people who are like my age, who also read the same books and just want to gush about all the pretty books that come out. So I have successfully done that, I think. So that is like the most satisfying feeling to me. So this is so you guys mean the world to me. I just want to say thank you. So this is just going to be a really brief thank you video. That's it. I'm done now. Let me know what you guys would like to see from me. I am always looking for video suggestions. I have a whole bunch to film in the next like coming week. So there's going to be some like different stuff going on my channel. And of course there's going to be more, you know, book outlet hauls and stuff. Okay, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys are reading some amazing books. Thank you. I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.